Barbecue day! One thing I love barbecuing is I can barbecue a lot and freeze them, and they are good. If you freeze them, the taste is more like it's soaked in the taste in there. And also my husband's favorite. So as long as I have food to serve him, he'll be okay and he'll be happy. So love what you do. Serve your food with love and compassion. I got a new uh, barbecue pit, but I don't know if this works like the old one. I bought it. I bought this last month for like, it won't cost probably about $19. But I like to try it today, see how it does. Because some barbecue pit don't work good. Some really work good. But I have it. And I'm gonna barbecue some chicken legs. This is gonna be a great day to barbecue. Before I put that charcoal in there, I have to start it on the little thing so this won't mess up, because I have to put alcohol in there to start a fire. Before you put your meat in there, you have to like make it hot first and then rub it with oil with your tongue and just put the meat so it won't stick in there, and it's kind of like a preheated barbecue pit. So I cook the meat until brown, and I put it in a little dish and pour some barbecue sauce in there and mix it, and then put it in the oven, put it back again and let it cook for a little bit. And turning it also, you have to turn and stay with your when you are barbecuing, because if you don't stay, they're gonna burn, and you know what happened. If it burn, then you cannot eat it. So I stayed to see, because you know, barbecue sauce can burn pretty quick. So tips: before you put your barbecue sauce, make sure your meat is already cooked, because if your meat don't cook, then you are in trouble. As you can see, I'm basting some more in there. And that I got a barbecue, it's the quarter legs chicken, and I put a stick in there. This is a pre-boil. Before I put in there, I boil it till it's tender, and I put a stick in there to barbecue. But the stick, I don't know how it goes. You know, sometimes if you put like a bamboo stick in there, and then the fire, if the fire is so hot and it get burned, it's probably just not me, probably a lot of people doing that. But this chicken leg quarter, it looks good. and it won't take long to cook because it's already pre-cooked. Since it's pre-boiled, it's already tender, I cover up and have a little smoke in there, and it won't take long to get ready. As you can see, it's like so tender it falling off, but the stick that I put it in there, it burns, so I gotta take it out. But anyway, this one is a Hawaiian style barbecue. So that's the way it looks. Looks good. Here is another one that I got a barbecue. It's a pre-boil. I boiled the spare ribs first till it tender, and then I pour out some barbecue sauce in there and put it in the barbecue pit, because spare ribs sometimes there is like, I don't like the smell of the spare ribs. So the reason I pre-boil is take away the scent and make it tender to pull off the bones, and that's the way it looks. It looks good. After all my meat barbecued, now I have a little pan that I can barbecue some vegetable. So I just put the vegetable in there and cover it up and let it smoke for just maybe 10 minutes, but check with it. And I have also cut up some pork chop in cubes and barbecue it with that pan, and it's kind of like stir frying with it, but it's under the charcoal. So this is easy things to do too. I still have fire going on, so I throw some eggplant in there to barbecue also. Alright, I'm done cooking. Let me show you what I got. That's my beans, green beans with cashew nut and poppy seed. And this is adobo. It's beans with bacon and quail egg. And this beans is with buttery beans with garlic on. That cashew nut looks good. I love it. I love cashew nut. And here is zucchini and yellow squash. There's all from my garden. The beans and the zucchini. And this is pork cut cubes with teriyaki sauce. And this. And here is the quarter legs. Hawaiian style barbecue. Looks good. And that's Baby Ray barbecue sauce, the sweet. And here is all my barbecue cooking today with all them food. It's a lot in one day, but I love cooking. So it looks like a buffet style. If you have a lot of company to come, there you have it. They are delicious. Here is all the food that I cook. It's a lot. You are welcome to come eat with me. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.